Hey YouTubers, quick video here to show you how to get longer rides and 18 pounds of weight out of your Razor MX650 or 500. It's actually quite simple to reduce the MX650 by 18 pounds. Simply replace the three 12-volt lead-acid batteries with one 36-volt lithium-ion battery. In the next videos, I will show you how to do that very simply. This is what it looks like with a 36-volt, 16-amp-hour lithium-ion battery, configuration 10S6P. It fits nicely in the bottom tray. I insulated with foam all around to protect it, to make sure that, no metal to the battery casing. And then I just used the factory bracket. I also reinstalled the upper battery tray bracket just in case someone wants to put it back to factory. And I also did add, while I'm in there, I added this voltmeter. I saw someone online do this in the gas cap. It's pretty cool. The only thing with this voltmeter, I put it on one of my 48 volts, and above 48 volts it blinks, so it warns you that it's over voltage, so I removed it from that build. I also added this nice light, and it's got the buttons up here. Now that light's not bad. It was about 15 bucks on Amazon, but I'm telling you, this light here is a lot better, and the switch is a lot better quality, switch and horn. So on this side, it looks like there's a lot more wires, but all I did was I came out of the battery with the battery pigtail and wired into the black and red of the bike. While I did that, I also added this auxiliary to run the voltmeter that's in the gas cap and the headlight. So that's what this does. We have a red and black power coming, and then red and black out for all the peripheral or auxiliary components. But everything else, I kept the factory wire harness, the factory control module. As you can see, the battery fits nicely in that bottom tray, and then the upper tray is going to be empty. And this bike is 18 pounds lighter and a lot more ride time. That's about it. I am not going to use the charge port, the factory one, because I made sure that I'm going to be using the lithium ion one. So I'm going to wire this up and then either hang it out over here, tuck it in behind the plastics. On the left, you'll see the stock MX650 wiring to the three 12-volt batteries. On the right, you'll see the wiring diagram for the lithium-ion. Use butt-end connectors to connect the factory wires to the lithium-ion battery wires. And then if you want to splice in the headlight and voltmeter, do it downstream of the switch, as shown. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.